Hi, I'm Kathy, the art teacher. Today I'm excited to share a new drawing video that shows you how to draw the artist Frida Kahlo. The tutorial comes from my website, Art Projects for Kids, which I hope becomes your favorite place for finding easy step-by-step drawing lessons. Over the years, it has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. Please check out my videos, and if you like them, hit that like and subscribe button in the corner. It really does help me make more of these. Now here's an easy way to draw Frida, which I hope helps students learn much more about her. There are three things in this drawing to help viewers know who this is: the flowers in the hair, the eyebrows, and the colorful jewelry. Frida was famous for all of these, and lucky for us, they're easy to draw. Let's get started. First, collect your art supplies: drawing paper, pencil, black marker, and crayons. If you want, you can also follow this matching tutorial that you can download from my website. Before you begin your drawing, it really helps to first make guides on your paper. It's easy to do. Just fold and crease your paper in half in both directions and then open it back up. You'll have creases that match my directions, and I promise they really do help. Plus, they completely disappear by the time you're done coloring. Step number 1. I'm going to start the face with a simple U shape. Here's the right side. And then here is the matching left side. Frida's long hair is parted, so a curve like this goes on the right and on the left. Step number 2. Next comes the top of her neck. Step number 3. Before adding the shoulders, draw some large beads. They can just be simple circles that sit in a curve. Step number 4. Now draw the two shoulder lines. Add 2 matching ears. The tops should touch the center fold line. Now Frida often wore her hair up, so you can start it with 2 curves like this. Step number 5. Now I'm going to start adding some simple flowers. Start with 2 larger circles and centers about right here. Then add a couple more, perhaps a bit smaller. Finish with 1 more in the middle and then a few smaller circles peeking out from behind the larger ones. Step number 6. Now it's time to draw the eyes. I like to start by planning them first with dots. Then connect them with curves on the top and bottom. Finish the eyes with circles, have them tuck under the eyelid to give her a relaxed kind of look, and add small pupils inside. Step number 7. Draw a simple nose. The bottom should be about halfway between the eyes and the chin. Start the mouth with a line that is halfway between the nose and the chin, and then add a lip above and below. Step number 8. And finally, Frida's famous eyebrows may be drawn as one long curve shaped like this. Step number 9. It's time to trace everything with your black marker. Carefully go over all those pencil lines. It not only helps your lines show up, but makes your drawing easier to color too. When you're done, it's a good time to erase any extra pencil lines that you see. And now it's coloring time. Frida's hair was very dark, so I'm going to start by coloring it black. And I'm making the eyebrows to match. I'm going to use my marker to make the pupils black and then add a kind of hazel color for the iris. Next, her skin was kind of on the peachy side. Remember, sometimes you have to press extra hard to make skin colors show up. Her lips I'm going to color in pink. Now there are lots of pictures of Frida with really bright flowers in her hair, so I'm going to use a combination of red, orange, and purple. And the centers of the flowers can just be a random assortment of the same colors. Then the beads can be a pattern of the same colors or something else if you'd like. Feel free to use your other favorite bright colors too. And lastly, the background needs some color so she really stands out. I'm using my favorite sky blue. It always seems to look great no matter where I use it. Well, alright, this Frida Kahlo drawing is done. I do recommend pressing as hard as possible to get a really dark black like this hair color. It takes a little extra elbow grease, but it's really worth it. All the colors just seem to pop out much more. So I hope you've enjoyed this drawing video tutorial. I have even more portrait drawing tutorials like this one on my website, Art Projects for Kids, including how to draw Martin Luther King Jr. and how to draw Amelia Earhart. I hope you look for them too. See you next time.